divide 449 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting, it is 0. We put down this 4 and 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting, it is 0. So again we put down this 9 and 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting, it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting, it is 0. So 449 divided by 2 is 224 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.